we're going to look at how to use SnapKeep to turn that pile of receipts into organized data. Let's head into the Import feature. First, go ahead and click on Import. As you can see, we keep things super simple here. You can click to open your file manager, or, my personal favorite, just drag and drop your receipts right into this box. Once you drop them in, the app immediately begins scanning your receipts to extract the transaction details. Watch that progress bar, and already done. Let's hit the Review Drafts button. Welcome to the Review page. Right now, these transactions are in draft mode. Here, you can tweak anything. Change the amount, update the merchant name, or fix the category if you need. You can even pull up the original receipt right here to double-check the details. Once you're happy with the details, just click to complete the review. And that is it. Those drafts are now official transactions. You can check them in your dashboard, projects, and exports. Remember those receipt copies in your Google Drive? We don't hoard your data. The files stay with you. They are yours to keep or delete. I definitely recommend keeping them for your records if you have the storage space. If you just need simple bookkeeping, your dashboard already shows exactly what you're gaining or spending. We have powerful tools in those tabs to help you manage your finances, but we'll cover those in another video. Go ahead and explore. I think you're going to like it. Thanks for watching.